class we are going to learn how to make clay lion. So first step is to mix brown cream and yellow clay together. And then with the help of my fingers, I will give the body shape. And now it's my time to add hands and legs. And now moving towards head, use your finger to give that round shape. And also make some other clay little balls for ears and mouth. Then use your tool to add the depth. Stick all those elements on the head. And now for mouth, add little darker clay. Here I am using marker to add eyes and details. We all know that lion has very lustrous hair on their neck, so that's what I am making here. And one more important thing, if you are underage, don't use scissors. Ask your parents or guardian to help you. And here is the final look. Thank you so much. Bye.